This is Harmony feeding herself for the first time. Yay! There you go. She's feeding herself spaghetti. Yes, one of her favorite dishes. Is that your favorite dish, Pink? Yes, he loves SpaghettiOs. Oh, she's getting sick of the spoon. Honey, you need to use the spoon, baby. Yeah. Yeah. She said, forget the spoon. Honey. Oh my God. You gotta get more down your shirt than in your mouth. What are you doing? She got a noodle hanging out her nose. You got a noodle hanging out your nose? Honey.
Yeah.
Is it good? Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, you can't tell her she ain't eating, man. Yeah. Look at that face. Down. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
You like it? She likes it. I think she likes it a lot. You just realized you got more on your shirt than in your plate? Huh? I think you did. I think you did. My goodness. My goodness. Look at that face. Yummy, yummy.
And with fresh value cart specials like Rancher's Reserve Beef Rib Roast phone in $4.97 a pound. Get all the holiday food and odds you want, when you want them, at the price you need.
How do you stop recording? I don't know.
Best ingredients for life. Dominic.